Yeah, totally parallel.
Yeah, she's just, look at her. She's like, relaxed. She's probably like, why didn't those guys ski? We could
Who,
take
Julia?
their kids. Yeah. Look at her.
Yeah, that's how Julia skis the way I want to ski.
Yeah.
Totally controlled and
And Sophie just wants to beam it down. She
yeah.
doesn't want
Sophie's got the Bodie Miller act.
Oh, got that wipe out.
Look at that beautiful stop.
Got that wipe out.
All right. Woo! Woo!
Back up.
The Bodie Miller syndrome.
Yeah, I mean, just like wild out of the gate. All right.
Here comes Q.
Finish it off.